Welcome to mathmarvelasmr. Today we are going to learn some interesting geometric concept. Those are based on circumcentre, incentre, orthocentre and centroid. These topics are very much important in geometric explanations, in building geometric concepts, and those are very intriguing. So you students get confused which one of them stands for what are their geometric interpretations. Now let's clear the concept by each of them taking explanation and picture with it. Without wasting time, let's get started. If you are benefited from my videos, you learned something from those topics, then obviously like, share and subscribe this channel. Share to your math lover friends, those who need this, who are interested in mathematics, they can learn something. Let's get started. First of all, our topic is circumcentre. The circumcentre is nothing but if we draw a triangle and if we draw its perpendicular bisector of each of the sides, that is, this is the perpendicular bisector of the side QR. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of the side PQ and here the perpendicular bisector of the side PR. Now they have intersected in a particular point and this point is called the circumcentre of the given triangle. Since this is a point, let it be O. Now if we join PO, OR and QO, now this PO, OR and QO are circumradius. These are called circumradius. That's why PO equals to OR equals to QO, since they are radii of the same circle. Now how can we get the circle? Now if we assume PO, OR and OQ as radius, then using this radius we can draw a circle which will touch P, Q and R on its circumference. That's why that is called circumcircle. So that is the definition of circumcircle. Thus we can get circumcircle. So this is the interpretation of circumcentre and circumcircle. Now let's learn the topic incentre. What is incentre? Now first draw a triangle. This triangle is A, B, C. Now here three angles are there. Now we will draw the angle bisectors of each of the angles. Now first of all, this is the angle bisector AP, this is the angle bisector BQ and this is the angle bisector CR. Now here the intersection made by the angle bisectors, let it be O. Thus we got the incentre of the triangle. So incentre is nothing but the intersection of the angle bisectors of a triangle. So here if we take OQ, OP and OR as radius, now we can draw a circle inside the triangle which will touch the triangle from inside part touching P, Q and R. Thus you can get in center and in circle. This is in circle having center O and that is called in center. So here OP is equals to OQ is equals to OR. These three are equal since they are in radius. They are called in radius. I think in center concept is crystal clear to you. You got the topic. Now proceeding towards the next topic, that is orthocentre. What is orthocentre? So let's draw a triangle here. Now we have to draw the perpendicular height. This is a triangle that is X, Y, Z. Now we have to draw perpendicular height, and we know that if we are asked to draw the height, then we have to draw it from the opposite vertex towards the side, that is XA. It is YB and it is ZC. So their perpendicular height XA is perpendicular to YZ and YB is perpendicular to XZ and CZ is perpendicular to XY. They are perpendicular heights. So intersection of the perpendicular heights of a triangle is orthocenter. Thus you can get orthocenter. This point is called orthocenter. Let it be P. So P is orthocenter. Now you got the concept about orthocenter. Now proceeding towards our last topic today, that is centroid. And this is such a topic that is very much useful in mathematics and in physics also. You are going to learn the topic, that is centroid. Draw a triangle, that is PQR. Now draw the median from the opposite vertices towards the side, that is, this is the median PA. It means this side and this side are equal. Here draw the median from Q, it will be QB, then this side and this side is equal, and draw the third median, that is RC, then this side and this side will be equal. Here QA is equals to AR, since PA is median. Similarly, PB is equals to BR, since QB is median, and PC is equals to CQ, since CR is median. So the intersection point we got by the medians drawn is called the centroid of the given triangle. So you got the centroid, that is, let it be O. So thus centroid, orthocenter, incentre and circumcentre, we have covered all the topics clearly to you. Now if you have any questions, any queries about these topics, then comment below. I will try to clear your confusion in my next video. So if you like the topics, then obviously subscribe this channel, share to your math lover friends. That's it for today. Good night. Goodbye.